Hello folks, I'm back with another invaluable tool to help you with your caregiving for dementia, Alzheimer's patients. This time, this apparatus, one of the greatest things since sliced bread, in my opinion. My mom had dementia and she started repeat dialing people because she forgot she called them, right? So let's just say in any given hour of the day, one person could receive up to maybe 4 to 5 phone calls from mom within an hour because she had forgotten she had already called. Now, that gets to be a little taxing. Not for mom because she didn't remember, but for the person receiving the calls, and oftentimes that person was myself. It began to get a little bit much, especially when you're trying to work, drive, or you just, sleep, or you just are trying to relax. So, yeah, this is incredible. And I want to, sing the praises of TeleCalm because it helped me manage mom's phone calls. Now, this connects to Wi-Fi, so you do not need to plug this into a wall jack such as this. In fact, after I ordered this, I had mom's AT&T service number ported over to this particular box. Right now, if I plug this in and call her phone number, it will ring from this box, not from the wall. So after we got the number ported over, we canceled the AT&T service. So there was nothing needed coming out of that jack anymore. How it hooks up, it simply uses the Wi-Fi. Now, most average households have a router, and so this Wi-Fi dongle, if you will, sends the calls and receives the calls over Wi-Fi, and that's broken down into voice over IP technology. You can Google that or search some more videos to find out what that is, but basically they won't be able to tell that they're not talking from a landline. Okay, it's the same voice quality. So what can you now you have freedom. You can place this anywhere as long as it's plugged into an outlet, and here is the power that you need. So you simply plug that into the wall, plug this in here, now she's on, and you're going to plug this, you're going to plug your phone here, and then you're done. I wish I had brought a phone out, but again, I'm saying you don't need to go from here to there anymore. You're just going to plug your phone in here. This Wi-Fi dongle will take care of the rest. Okay? Oh, as you see it kind of beeping right there, or getting a signal from my Wi-Fi. What can you do with this? Well, lots. I was able to download the app and have it on my smartphone. From there, I was able to record a message for the voicemail. I was able to have all control of the incoming and outbound calls. And that, my friend, was exactly what I was looking for. I didn't know that this was even an invention in the world until I did lots and lots of web searches. So I'm hoping that I can save you some time by doing this quick video and letting you know about it. If you'd like more information, please go to TeleCalmProtects.com. They're very good people. Like I said, you can control this box with an app on your smartphone. It will alert you if your loved one gets a voicemail. You can also go in and, like I said, configure the calling settings. So there's lots to do, but it's not very complicated at all to work. As you can see, it's small, and yeah, go get yourself one of these if you're caring for anyone with Alzheimer's, dementia, or maybe children. If you have a child or someone like that is abusing the phone and you need a little control, this is the device for you. All right. Thanks for watching, and take care.